first grade friends. Welcome back to our phonological awareness lesson. Whoa, there's that big word again. Do you remember what phonological awareness means? Remember, it's just the knowledge or the awareness of the sounds in words, breaking them apart, putting them back together. And we're going to practice that today. So instead of just blending words, we're going to make it a little fun today. We're going to play a game called Guess My Word. Now, let's practice. We know that if I were to say the word cat and I wanted to break it apart into chunks, I could hear that first sound and then I would say the rest of the word. So I would say k-at, k-at, cat. That is breaking apart and putting it back together. So we're breaking apart those chunks and then we're blending those chunks back together to make the words. Okay, I'm going to say a word and you're going to guess my word. Let's see if you can get it. Let's try. Here we go. B-at. B-at. What is my word? Did you say bat? I heard you screaming bat through my computer. I'm just kidding. I didn't hear you, but I hope you really did say bat. Here is a picture of a bat. Wow, look at that bat. I saw a bat in a cave. Ooh, have you ever seen a bat in a cave? Let's play again. L-og. L-og. You're saying log, aren't you? Excellent job. Here's a picture of a log. Whoop, let's get it over here. Log. I helped my dad chop the log. Wow, that's a good log right there. Let's try another one. W-eb. W-eb. Did you say web? Here is a spider web. Look at that picture. You can see the water droplets on that web. Excellent job. You are really good at playing Guess My Word. Let's try another one. I don't even have pictures for this one. What about sh-l? Sh-l. 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 Did you say shell? Excellent job. What about this one? J-eans. J-eans. Jeans. Did you say jeans? Oh, I am wearing jeans today. Wonderful. We can break words apart and we can blend them back together. A lot of times we can say that first sound that we hear, like in the word jeans, you hear j, and then you say the rest of the word, eans, and then put it together and you get jeans. Awesome job today. Okay, we also talked about words that are a little bit longer and listening for their syllables. Do you remember that word syllables? The word syllables is breaking apart the words by the sounds that you hear. We've practiced that a little bit yesterday, so we're going to practice that again. This time we are going to play a game and it's called copycat. So I'm sure you're familiar with the game copycat. Copycat is when you say what someone else is saying. So today I'm going to say a word and then you're going to copycat me, but you're not going to just say the word. You're going to say it and clap it at the same time. You're going to clap your syllables. So if I were to say the word pencil, you're going to say pencil. And then you're going to show me how many times you clapped. I clapped 2 times because I heard 2 syllables in the word pencil. Do you get it? Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to say a word and you're going to copycat me. But don't forget to clap your syllables. Here we go. Butterfly. How many times did you clap? Butterfly. Did you clap 3 times? I heard the word butterfly and I heard 3 syllables. Here's a picture of a butterfly. Ooh, the butterfly flies high in the sky. Okay, you're going to copycat me again. I'm going to say the word and you're going to say it and clap it out. Ready? Cherries. Good job. I heard you. Cherries. Did you say cherries and have 2 syllables? Here's a picture of cherries. Awesome. All right, we're going to clap it out one more time. Here we go. Our next word, copycat me. Are you ready? Kangaroo. Wow. Kangaroo. I got it. Did you get it? I heard 3 syllables. Kangaroo. The kangaroo hops. Excellent. Way to go on your clapping out your syllables. We know that we can listen for the sounds of the syllables in words, especially longer words. We can do short words too, like mice or pen. Mice, pen. They only have 1 syllable. All words have syllables. Those are the sounds that you hear, and we're breaking those words apart. Check out the next video with my friends from Go Noodle, Blazer Fresh. They have a really fun way to practice breaking apart words into the syllables that you hear. Take a Go Noodle break and watch Blazer Fresh clap it out. See you, friends.